Hello, my name is Christina Garcia. I am currently a freshman, and I am the Engineering Open House Chair for Outreach, Illinois. Today we're going to be making Oobleck. Now, I know all of you have probably heard of slime, but do you know what Oobleck is? Oobleck is an example of a non-Newtonian fluid. A Newtonian fluid is one that maintains constant viscosity at any given temperature. Viscosity is essentially the property that allows liquids to flow. A non-Newtonian fluid does not have a constant viscosity. In the case of Oobleck, the viscosity increases when you agitate the slime or apply pressure. Oobleck is a suspension of starch in water, so the starch grains remain intact rather than dissolving. This is the key to Oobleck's interesting properties. When a sudden force is applied to Oobleck, the starch grains rub against each other and lock into position. This phenomenon is called shear thickening and is basically the particles in a dense suspension resist further compression in the direction of shear. When Oobleck is at rest, the high surface tension of water causes water droplets to surround the starch. Water acts as a liquid cushion, allowing the grains to flow freely. The sudden force pushes the water out of the suspension and jams the starch grains against each other. So now that we understand what Oobleck is and its amazing properties, I'm going to teach you how to make it. Materials you'll need for today are a bowl, a mixing utensil, water, cornstarch, food coloring of your choice, something to store it in afterwards. The perfect ratio to make Oobleck is 1 cup of water for every 2 cups of cornstarch. Today I'm going to be making a smaller batch, so I'll only be using 1 cup of cornstarch and half a cup of water. So feel free to mix with the ratios as you please. The first step is, if you'll be using food coloring, add the food coloring to your water now. I'll only be adding about 2 drops of food coloring. Now that we have our dyed water, I chose green. If you can't tell, green is my favorite color, so it's just a darker tint of green at the bottom. Next, you'll want to grab your bowl and add your cornstarch. Okay, now that we have our cornstarch in our mixing container, you'll want to slowly add in the water while mixing. Once you start adding the water, as you can see, clumps will begin to form. Don't be alarmed, just keep adding the water little by little and mixing it in as much as you can. Now that you're done mixing, mine turned into a pastel green. But as you can see, when you're mixing it around, it looks like a liquid. But if you apply force to it, it starts to act like a solid. So now you don't necessarily need your mixing tool, you're able to play with it with your hands. It's really fun. I recommend doing this with your siblings or family members. So as you can see, once it's in my hands, it's turning into a liquid with it. I sort of have made like a solid in my hand, but then right when you stop playing with it, it turns into a liquid. So this is really fun. I highly recommend it, and I hope you all enjoyed making Oobleck with me and learning about its amazing properties. And the best way to clean up the mess afterwards and all of the goo from your hands is to just wash with soap and water. Make sure to check the other videos on the SWE Illinois website to find more cool and fun activities to do at home. Bye, and thank you for watching.